What's up, Internet? Senior Whoopi here. It's your boy coming back at you with a special video. This is the What Can $100 Get You on Nike's app challenge. Not really a challenge. More likely it's just some things that I saw and they just happen to be under $100. So we're gonna crack right into the first box. Well, let's go with this one first. So we got 3 items here that totaled in the amount of, I think it was $97 and change. Okay, see some red on top here. Ooh, alright, get this open. Inside here we have an accessory. Whoa. That is orange? Goodness. I've never seen an orange like that before. I don't even think the camera can pick that up. That is like hot pink mixed with like construction man orange. What I really like about this, there's a little bit of Nike branding on the tip there. The belt buckle as well also has a bottle opener because when you go play golf, you get drunk. So let's see if I can get this open. All right, see it there, the bottle opener? I like this. There's like a little lip here to make it easier to grab. See how that's designed? I'm happy with this. I have 2 other Nike golf belts and they're the best web clasp belts like this. I'm a really big fan. Just bought an Adidas one, and I was actually really disappointed that the Adidas one did not come with a bottle opener. So Adidas, step up your game. That's why today's challenge is a Nike challenge. Now, this is a very small box. Can you guess what's in this box? It is the Bennessee JDI Midnight Navy with wind chill. Man, I bought these because they were black. I hope they're not blue. Let's find out. These look kind of blue. Crap. Oh, they smell delicious though. So the belt, I believe I got for $8. This was like $18. Not bad. Some Nike slides. I thought these were black. Nike. What the hell? I might have to shake these back. But they were such a good deal. I mean, I could just wear them into the ground. These, the JDI slip-ons, these are so comfortable. If you saw my last video, I got some really crazy colorway of those. And I just thought to myself, I can't wear these everywhere. I want to have a few, at least one other pair of slides that I can wear and not stick out like a sore thumb. So that's why I got those black ones. Oh well. Still got a hell of a deal on them. You might already know what this is just from that box. It's a Nike SB box. Oh man. This is probably my favorite part of the purchase. So, well, there's a packing slip in there. It doesn't tell me how much I paid for them. And I'm not going to waste your time anymore by looking it up. It is the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the colorway black, metallic, gold, and white. Awesome. It sounds awesome, doesn't it? No wood grain on this paperwork. It's just clear paper. Ooh. Okay, okay. Now, these were on sale for, I think it was like $79, down from their $110 price point. I do keep my boxes. I'll just put that over to the side. I like these. So these were on sale for quite cheap. And then they do have a promotion going on right now. If you type in SAVE25 on Nike's website or the Nike app, you can save yourself 25% off of whatever you're purchasing. So with this, I brought it down to like $56. And $56 for a pair of SBs? That's killer. So we've got kind of a cheaper quality leather here. What do you expect for an SB that only cost $70? And then you take some discounts. We got some suede here, which does not feel that great. And the swoosh is kind of an off leather as well. You can kind of see some of the detail there and the lack thereof detail. I do like the hit of the gold on the tongue. And I kind of thought this gold would stick out more, like it would shine more, kind of like this. You see how that shines? Bottom black with the white. I kind of like the black. It's going to stay cleaner for longer. The Nike hit on the back. So let's put these on feet and see how they look. Right now on feet I've got my Epic React foams. I like these. They kind of remind me of a Yeezy, but not really at the same time, because it's a Nike running shoe and Yeezy's more of a lifestyle shoe. In case you're wondering, I do not own any Yeezys, so that's just speculation. That's just me comparing it to that. Let's see if I can put this on without undoing the laces. Oh yeah, it slips right on. Well, what do you think? I don't think it goes with that blue socks. I'm going to just hide that there, the black jeans. Blue. Some gold socks, some Gucci socks would look good with these. So I'm probably going to put these on, wear them for the remainder of the day. I am currently at my mom's house, just catching up with her, picking up some packages that come to the wrong address, and yada yada yada. Oh, there's stickers in these, I almost forgot. I can't stand people that leave these stickers inside your shoe. It's like, I get leaving stickers on New Era hats. I get leaving tags on some clothes that you might try and resell. Why are you going to leave these stickers inside your shoe if they're just going to be pressed into the inner sole? It drives me crazy. Because I thrift a lot of shoes, and when I see that, I'm just like, ah, damn it. At least I know the shoe's kind of new, but I don't need that to tell me that the shoe is kind of new. I already stepped on this one, now it's like a bitch to get out. Come on. Let's see if the inner soles just come right out too. Some SBs have inner soles that slide right out. Ah, here we go. This is kind of a nicer insole than what I'm used to in a lot of other SBs. There's a square right here. I don't know if you can kind of see that if the camera's picking that up. It's for the zoom air. Little air pocket there. That's not bad. Get off of my inner sole. Oh no, it's ripping terribly. I should have pulled this out before I put on my shoes. It's getting destroyed. Great. Well, I hope you did enjoy this video today. I know I'm at like kind of a weird camera angle, and yeah, I'm just shooting all over the place whenever I can. I am back again shooting on the iPhone in 720p, and it's okay. I kind of like it. And the 70 views I got on my last video is actually way above average for a lot of my videos, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you enjoyed this video too. What $100 on Nike can buy you. Again, this was right under $100 at $93. Oh my god. I should have bought some like goo remover with this too. Like, this is killing me. This is great entertainment, isn't it? Well, how am I going to get this off? How? How do I get that off? It actually smells a little bit of a lesser quality. And again, that suede is not that great, that leather is not that great, but you know what this will do? It will become an amazing skate shoe. And I have a few skate shoes in my lineup that I like to go skate in, that I'm not afraid to get messed up and destroyed, because there's a lot of SBs out there that you kind of want to keep nice. I have the 420 Galaxy Way ones. Those are really cool with the patent leather on them. You can't skate patent leather that well, I should say. But yeah, if these interest you, I'll leave a link down below, and I'll tell you guys how to get these. And don't forget about that sale. You can get anything on Nike for 25% off with Save25. So big shout out to Nike. Big thank you. Also, Nike, quit putting branding on your boxes. Quit it. It drives me crazy, and it makes people want to steal boxes. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra. I can't get this off.